Oh my. Oh my. Welcome to the Rhythm Studio, where we're talking percussion, music production, and music technology. I'm Warren Henry. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and the alert bell so that you can be notified when we release new videos. Also, please stay tuned to the very end because I have a very special message just for you. The audio industry is going through a renaissance. Boutique companies are recreating cherished classic preamps, EQs, microphones, and compressors. The company Warm Audio is no exception. Their WA73 is positioned to be the hit of 2018. Sold in mono or stereo configurations with or without EQ, the WA73 is a hand-wired, hand-assembled unit designed in the USA. The chassis replicates the aesthetic of a classic 1073 with its Marconi knobs and gray finish. The front panel has mic and line inputs, switchable impedance, and a 48-volt phantom power switch. Also on the front is an insert button so that you can add a compressor via the jacks on the rear panel. The interior design of the chassis features quality components like polystyrene capacitors, military spec dual concentric potentiometers, inductors for the EQ section, and to top it off, UK-made Carnhill transformers. All components are laid out on easy to troubleshoot PCB boards if repair should ever be necessary, and I can't wait to get my hands on one. So there you have it, this latest iteration from Warm Audio, the WA73. In the comments below, tell me what you intend to use your WA73 on. Me? Everything. That's all for now. Like this video by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. And don't forget to say hello to the family for me.